Good morning and happy Tuesday. I got the patio door open, but I can't open the screen because look at this. Let me shut this one. Look at that. We got more snow. Got our turkey friends. It's like snowing, but kind of because of the wind, if that makes sense. It's windy. Got more of our turkey friends. Another one hunkered down. I mean, it looks beautiful. Don't get me wrong. On the branches. But trying to get the ones over there. There we go. They're finding food, y'all. They are finding food. Should focus better. Of course, I gotta clean my patio window. Poor turkeys. All right, y'all, stay safe.